Hey guys, welcome back to my small engine repair channel. Today I've got a nice set of Erwin tap sockets to show you. These are a must-have in your small engine repair shop or any other repair shop that you do substantial work in. By the way, I'm not sponsored to make the video today. I purchased these myself. Any tool that I buy that I really like or think that you should have in your shop, I make a video so you can decide if these are good or not for you. Now here's the set. I've already had it open to try it out. Here's the part number in case you want to buy this set. First of all, it's made by Erwin. It's an adjustable tap socket set. There's two of them in here, as you can see. They do require a 3/8 drive ratchet, and it fits all taps up to 1/2 inch. Now, before I get into this tool review, I just want to quickly talk about a review I did on this set here of Lyle tap sockets. The reason I ended up buying these is because sometimes some of the taps in here are too loose and they do slip. And I had a hard time finding metric tap sockets, so the next best thing was to buy these. By the way, this is an excellent set of tap sockets to have in your toolbox. Actually, I'd say it's a must-have. I'll put the link under the video to where you can watch my review on these as well. And it gives you info at the back, and yes, they are made in China. I'll just start by getting them out of the pack here. And here's a close-up look. The bigger socket here is for 1/4 to 1/2 inch. And then the smaller one is from number 6 to 1/4 inch taps. And they do feel a very good quality in your hands. And it's pretty well like a toolless drill chuck. You just put your tap and you tighten up. And here's the hole for your 3/8 ratchet. And it's the same on the bigger one here as well. Now, out of these two sockets, the smaller one is the one I'll be using the most. And the reason for that is, like I mentioned earlier, I've been having a hard time to find a metric set of tap sockets. Sometimes I need to use metric taps. And here's the problem that I often encounter. The tap won't fit in one of these sockets over here, but it'll fit in the next one, but it's quite loose. And if I'm threading into metal that is difficult to thread in, sometimes the tap just ends up spinning inside the socket. I'm afraid I'm going to end up stripping the socket, so I decided to just buy a set of these. And with the smaller socket here, I can adapt to any tap no matter what the size is. So as you can see, it gets quite small. As it says on the socket here, it goes from number 6 to 1/4 inch. So to put it in, you just want to line up your tap. And it is easier to tighten it up if you have your ratchet in it. And now I've put another tap in here. It's an M4 by 0.7. I'm just going to show you how good this tap socket works. So I've got a hole here I drilled specifically for this tap. I didn't run the tap all the way through yet. Put a bit of cutting oil. But the emphasis here is to show you how well secured the tap is in the socket. They're not cheap tools. And again, to remove the tap, just hold it. And it comes out very easy. Now, since the number 6 tap is the smallest one that goes in the socket, I've got one in my hand here. I'll just show you how you can tighten that one up in there, no problems. So that's quite a small tap in there. Now, if some of you watching today use different tools for your tap sockets, please let me know what you're using, and I'm sure all the other viewers as well would like to know. Just comment below. You can even post links to the products you're using to do the same purpose as I'm doing with these tools today. And again, it's the Erwin Hansen adjustable tap socket set. Here's the part number again, and the link is under the video to where you can see all the specs on these. I bought the tap set on Amazon. I paid $37 and change for it plus tax. I got free shipping with them, so it was a good deal for me. They're good quality tools. I'm glad I bought them. Thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure you're subscribed and that you're following me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and have a great day.